Hi, I'm Stacy with Worship Guitar Resources, and I recently had a chance to pick up the new Morningstar MC6 Pro, and today I'm going to walk you through how I set that up and how I use it. Now, I'm no MIDI expert, but the Morningstar Editor MIDI Dictionary includes tons of pedals with tons of actions, giving you maximum control over your tone. Also, there's a free download in the box below that's just a quick PDF guide with all the shortcuts that we're going over today, including some that aren't in the dictionary that have multiple actions that you need to set up. All right, let's get started. So I've already set up the banks the way I'm going to use them. I've got my number 1 bank set up as my main, and then I copied that and I duplicated it on bank 2 and bank 3, as well as down here at bank 127 and 128. We're going to start over with a blank bank so that I can walk you through how to set it up. All right, here we go. So we're over here selecting preset A. We're going to change that long name to Snapshot 1, short name to SS1, and then we're going to just set it up. All right, so our action will be a press. Standard is a CC, and then we're going to go to the MIDI dictionary. So this is what makes it super easy. You don't have to go through your user manuals to find the messages. Most of them are going to be right here. So we're going to roll through looking for line 6. The model is HX Stomp. And what we want to do is snapshot. So this gives you the option to do expression 1 and 2, emulate foot switches 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You got looper settings here, tap tempo. We're going to use snapshot. So snapshot 1, apply. Hit save, and you're going to see over here our short name changed to SS1 and our long name Snapshot 1. Now we're going to go to preset B, long name 2, SS2, same thing, press, control change. Here. Snapshot 2, apply, save. So now when we change our switches, the long name shows up in the first window. Short name shows up under over all the lower switches and under all the top switches. But you're going to see that the long name is going to change with each switch press. All right, C we're going to set up to Snapshot 3. Apply. And save. All right, for fun, and we'll walk through this once I get everything set back up on the pedal board. For switch D, I'm going to make that to call up a specific preset on my Stomp. This one has 2 messages. First one is a program change, and our program change number is 93. That is the preset in the sequential order of things on the Stomp. So 93. We're not setting it to all channels. It's only going to MIDI channel 1. HX Stomp is set to MIDI channel 1. Our next action is going to be a press with control change. And this one is going to be 69 with the value of 0, which is going to set it up on Snapshot 1. If you have a preference of what snapshot you would want it to land on, then you would change that here, being 0, 1, or 2 is Snapshot 1, 2, or 3, going to MIDI channel 1. I'm going to save that. And you'll see we have 32A showed up in the long name, preset 32A. And then as we go through, we're still seeing our snapshots 1, 2, and 3. All right, the final settings here are for E and F. These are going to be preset up and down. So this is going to be preset down. And the short name for that one, I want to use one of the icons. They give us 9 icons that we can use within the settings here. And this is going to be the arrow down. So that's going to be a backslash lowercase d. Well, this one's going to have 3 messages. They're all press. First one, and they're also all control change. So the first one is CC71 with the value of 1. The second is CC49. with the value of 127. And the third is CC with a value of 71. And this one's going to have a value of 0. So we're going to save that. You'll see up here, it changes our short name to the arrow down, and then preset down shows up for the long name. Now, another thing that you can do that makes it easy and quick for this is we're going to copy multiple messages. We'll hit the copy button. And then we're going to go to switch F, and then we're going to paste multiple messages. So that pasted everything. Now, the reason I did that is for preset up, the only difference between the two is that this one is set to 50. And then we'll change the name from the \D to \U, and that will be the up arrow. We'll save. You got to change the up name as well. Up. So now we have everything showing up correctly in our first window as we go through our settings. One last thing we can do as far as our visuals here is editing the bank, and we'll just call this one bank 4. Now this is going to show up, oops, if I could spell, bank 4, this is going to show up right in the middle. So we have our long name in the first window, our bank number in the second window, and then our bank and page number on the third. So you'll see we have B004, PG1, bank 4, page 1. If I want to scroll through those, we press the E and the F button to go up, and D and E to page down. So if you've got a long set and you want to just use one bank, set everything up in there, just pop through those pages. You can get through everything that you need to do. One of the other cool things I really wanted to see about this new pedal was the colors. So you can see we have SS1, SS2, there's a black bar behind all of the short names. So we can change that bar by hitting background. Position 1 is going to be deselected. So I like to use a dark color. So we'll pick that kind of dark blue, and then position 2, when it's activated, pick something bright, go with orange. Save. We're going to go through and set all these up, and then there are a couple of global settings that we'll need to change. So we're going to use the dark blue and the gold for everything just so we can see how that's going to look as we scroll through our presets. Now you can change the background, or you can just change the strip, and I'll show you where the strip is. So strip, obviously it's here, it says strip, but that's going to be just a skinny little line that runs across the bottom. And so just to show what that might look like, I will make it pink on this one. This is our preset down. So when it is, we'll make it pink with the yellow background when it is activated. Save preset. 32A. Same thing, we're going to use the dark blue and the gold. Now, just to show you that it can be done, we're going to change the text color in second position for our Snapshot 1. And we will change that color. We want something that'll stand out. We'll go with dark purple. So the dark purple over the orange background. Save that. Okay, so then we go to Edit Bank. That's where we changed our bank name, but also what we're going to do is apply all presets. Preset toggle is on. If you wanted every preset, every action to be the same, you would do that here with the 3 dots. Click on that, and this is going to be global. So this is going to apply to every preset. So if you want every preset to be with the same strip color, text color, and background color, this is where you would set that up. The other thing we're going to do is click on the clear preset toggles, and what that's going to do is that once I hit Snapshot 1 on switch A, when I hit switch B, it'll go back to position 1, and then position 2 will activate for B. So now, as you can see, as we go through our presets, Snapshot 1, orange with the black text, everything else is orange with the white text. That one has the pink strip above. You can put any color you like there. And then here again on the switch F. All right, let's plug it into the Stomp and see it in action. So just a real quick demo to show you how everything scrolls through. I will pull up preset 32A and snapshot 1, snapshot 2, 3, and then bank down, bank up, and that's it. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please subscribe and hit that like button for good measure. Don't forget about the free download in the box below. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.